Hey everyone, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have another unboxing video for you guys. I am back today with another unboxing video. It's been a really long time, and you may be wondering where I've been and why I haven't been doing unboxing videos. Well, I haven't been buying dolls. That's the main reason. And the truth is, I just haven't been buying dolls lately. So I actually bought a group. They are in here. This big box right here. So I can't wait to show you who they are. So let's get started. As always, with some scissors, I'll just be cutting across. Remember how hard it is to open these. And here they are. And 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so I have a whole group, 7 members, and if you haven't guessed them by now, it is BTS. So yes, I bought this. This was a collection, like a series that I saw a couple years ago, but I never saw a group order from my country for this series, and I finally just found it. So I'm like, yeah, I gotta get all 7 of them. I'm gonna do one by one because it is quite a lot. So first one. Is always sticking out is BTS's V. So cute. He's dressed like Tata. So this is V from the front, side, the back, side again, and then the front. Second is Jimin. And he's dressed like Jimmy. So this is Jimin from the front, the side, the back, side again, and then front. Next doll is Suga. And he's dressed like Shuki. And this is Suga from the front, side, the back, side, and then front. Here we have J-Hope, and then he's dressed as Ming, and this is J-Hope from the front, side, back, side, and then front again. Next we got RM, dressed in Koya. So this is RM from the front, side, the back, side, and then front. And then we got Jin, dressed in RJ hoodie, and this is Jen from the front, the side, back, side, and then front. And then lastly we have Jungkook, dressed in Cookie. So this is Jungkook from the front, side, back, side, and then front again. So I don't remember the name of these dolls, and I don't remember the name of the series for the dolls, and I don't remember the name of the maker. Sorry. So if I do find it, I will put the names in the description if I do find it, but I don't remember. Don't ask me why, don't judge, but this is the best way that I could show all 7 of them. So yeah, I'm gonna stuff them in my shirt for the ending, even though I probably didn't have to do this, but this is everything that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.